Hey everyone, welcome. So summer is officially here, and it's all about catching that perfect vibe, right? The sun, the chill afternoons, and the sounds that totally make the season. But what if you could create your very own soundtrack for it all? Well, stick around, because we're gonna do just that. Okay, just picture this for a sec. You're hanging out in your favorite spot, maybe your room or the backyard, a little breeze comes through, and you hear this soft, magical little melody. That's the sound of your summer, made by you. We're about to add that perfect personal touch to your space. So, the big question is, are you ready to find your perfect summer vibe? To make something that is just so completely and totally you? Get ready, because we are going to make the ultimate summer accessory. And no, I'm not talking about sunglasses or a cute bag. I'm talking about an accessory for your space. Yep, you guessed it, we're making a one-of-a-kind, totally custom DIY wind chime. Okay, first things first. Before we can build anything, we gotta figure out your style. Think of this like a fun little personality quiz for your creative side. So, what's your chime vibe? First up, are you maybe feeling the natural and rustic vibe? This is all about those earthy, beachy aesthetics. We're talking about using a super cool piece of driftwood you found, or maybe even a painted flower pot for the top. And then, hanging down, you've got beautiful seashells and little painted wood slices. It's just a really chill, organic look. Or maybe you're all about the upcycled treasure vibe. This is where you literally turn trash into treasure, and it's so cool. Think about using old keys that don't open any doors, fun bottle caps, or even some painted tin cans. It's super creative, it's great for the planet, and I can guarantee no one else will have one just like it. Now, if you want a chime that actually sings a real melody, then the musical metal vibe is totally for you. This style uses things that make actual musical notes, like little copper pipes cut to different lengths, or you could even find an old toy xylophone and use the metal bars from that. How cool would that sound? And last but not least, for a little touch of pure magic, there's the glass and crystal vibe. Oh my gosh, just imagine your chime catching the sun and throwing tiny little rainbows all over your room. Using sparkly glass beads and pretty crystals makes such a beautiful, delicate sound, and it looks absolutely stunning. Okay, have you kind of picked a vibe? Awesome. Now, let's talk about gathering your supplies. And don't you worry, this is gonna be super simple. You really only need 3 main things to get started, no matter which style you're going for. All right, so here's the breakdown. First, you need a top piece. This is the base that everything hangs from. It could be a cool branch for that rustic look, a simple metal ring, whatever you like. Next, you need your chimes. These are the stars of the show. The shells, the keys, the beads, the metal bits, the things that will actually make the sound. And finally, you need a strong cord, like fishing line or some twine, to tie it all together. See? Easy. Got your supplies? Perfect. Now comes the really, really fun part. It is time to put this all together and make some actual magic. Let's get building. It's really just 4 easy steps. So, step 1, prep your top piece. You might need to carefully drill a few small holes for the cords to go through. Step 2, create your strands. This is where you just start stringing on all your pretty chimes and beads. Step 3, attach those strands to your top piece. Pro tip, make them all different lengths for a cooler look. And finally, step 4, add a little loop of cord at the very top so you can hang your amazing masterpiece. So your chime is built, which is awesome, but now it's time for the glow up. I've got a few little secrets for you, some pro tips to make your creation even more amazing and to make sure it lasts all summer long. First up is what I call the sound check. Trust me, this is so important. Before you tie everything on, just tap your little items together. Tap those keys or shells against each other. Do you like the jingle they make? This little test makes sure you're gonna absolutely love the final melody. Next, we have the weather shield. Okay, so if your wind chime is gonna be living outside and braving the rain and sun, a quick coat of waterproof sealant on any wood or painted parts is a total game changer. Also, using a UV-treated cord will keep it from getting weak in the sun. And of course, let's do a quick safety sweep. If you're using things like cut tin cans or metals, sometimes the edges can be a little bit sharp. Just take a second to sand them down or even put a little piece of cute washi tape over the edge to make sure your crafting is fun and 100% ouch-free. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you chose beachy shells, sparkly crystals, or upcycled keys, because the absolute best part is that your creation is 100% uniquely you. It's your style, your sound, your whole entire vibe. So now, with all these ideas buzzing around in your head, there's really only one question left to ask. What is your unique summer chime going to sound like? I seriously can't wait for you to find out. Now go get creative.